Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to Jordan's Community Center. In this episode, we're going to be looking at a Dell Latitude e6440, and this here is one of the lot of laptops that I got, a lot of three, which was consisting of the MacBook Pro 2008, late 2008, 2009, with also a Dell Vostro e1440, I think. So as you can see, this one has a damaged display, but also we need to plug it up and check what's happening with it. Really dirty. Hope you can see that. So let me plug the charger in. Okay, what's up? We've got a power indicator. It's charging. Turning on. Okay, fans are spinning. And it died out. Missing memory or something module, so let's check it up. Unplug this charger, flip it around. One. I'm gonna try and move the camera just a little bit so you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay, now we're gonna open the screws up. There's only three on the bottom. Most of this, ouch. There's only a few screws at the bottom because most of it has been open. This laptop has been opened before, so that's one out. Two. Open this a little bit more. Okay, there should be one somewhere in the corner. No. Okay, the hard drive's out. Should be. Okay, I got it. There's only three screws here, then you lift upward that way. Okay. So there's no RAM. What type of RAM does it take? DDR3. Let's try this one. I'm gonna put it on the bottom one. Okay, let's open it up. I'm gonna put this tray one side, down on the floor. Okay. The hard drive is out. Let's put the hard drive back in, plug it up and check. If it turns on, then hurrah! We're gonna replace the screen, and that will be done in another video. Unfortunately, I don't want to take up a lot of time here. Okay. Battery. Okay, it's giving a battery error, so unplug it. Put the battery in and see what happens. Plug it in now. Right there. Wrong type of RAM, probably. Unplug it. Okay, the battery works in this, at least we know that. Put that off. Flip it around. Let's undo these clips again. battery. What's happening here? Change the RAM slot. So RAM could be faulty because I took it from another laptop. So now we have a job lot of it was about 6 or 7 laptops. So I'm gonna use spare parts from each one and try and fix each. See what happens. Put that up here. Refuses to boot. Okay, let's plug the battery up and see if it boots that way. Okay, pressing power button. Still refuses to boot. So let us do the cover and check whether there's like a security feature or something like that. Well, let me get a different type of RAM. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. I've got a different type of RAM. Let's see whether that works instead. Okay, it booted. That means the RAM was faulty. And the battery just died on us. So let's plug it in. I thought it would have had a charge by now. Let's plug it up. The screen is broken, so we're gonna do that in another video. Or do you guys want to do it in one video? Okay, the battery is up. The fan is spinning. I don't see anything on the display because the display is broken. Okay, that went off. That means it's in the BIOS. So now what I want to do is, yeah, so that's turning on, and I think that's good enough for the first video, I guess. I want to put a 4 gig stick here because the 8 gig is for my main laptop. I don't have any other DIMMs. I'll put the 4 gig stick here on this laptop again. 8 gig back in mine. By the way, this is DDR3 memory. So now I'll take it downstairs to test it up because I have a monitor there. And see you guys next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. So this laptop boots and we gotta replace the screen in the next episode. See you then. Hey guys, what is up? This is a bit of a quick of sad news. This Dell what I was working on takes takes DDR3L, which means it has low voltage RAM. And I put DDR3 laptop RAM in it, which means it just gave in the same error. I don't know why I said it was booting earlier. But hey, since I had the charger on, I plugged it up, I charged the battery is holding charge, and now I decided let's do this job. Yeah, and that was it. It's very dirty, as you can see. I never do anything to it. So I'll see you next time. Like, subscribe, share.